For investors visa, E-2 and E-1 visas, there is an opportunity for someone from other countries to purchase business in the United States or invest their finances in the United States and come and live here. Could be for a temporary basis, but this type of visa is one of the limited visa that does have dual intent. So that means there is a pathway for a green card. So if you wanted to relocate to United States just for some period of time, invest into the business and see how it's going, if you like the business market over here, and with time you would like to stay here on permanent basis, that's totally available for someone who's interested. Also, if you have family members and children, that could be a good opportunity for your spouse to get a job here. Once you relocate here, you will get a work permit and social security numbers. So that means all of your family member, if they would like to, they can get a job. If there's a spouse and children are under 21 years old. And also great opportunity for someone who would like to try out business and have their children go to school here. Sometimes clients are asking because they're interested for their children to learn English and to experience going to school in the United States. The requirements for E-1 and E-2 visa, first of all, you need to have a treaty between the United States and the specific country where you're from. So if there is no treaty between the United States and your country, this type of visa would not be available for you, and you might want to look into opportunity of EB-5 visa. So that's number one. With treaties, you will be able to see also, depending on the country you're from, for how long you're going to be able to stay here in the United States on E-1 or E-2 visa, and then how often you will have to renew your visa. The other criteria is to have substantial investment into United States business market. Now, don't be confused. There's a lot of information on Google about magical number as $100,000. That's not correct number. USCIS used that number as an example. Really, when we're defining substantial investment, we do math formula and we're evaluating how much you're investing, and depending on what type of business you're purchasing, right? If you're purchasing a franchise here in the United States, let's say with McDonald's, you're going to be investing less because McDonald's has been around for a long time, right? Everyone knows their value and their fair market value. If you will be investing into smaller business, right? Let's say you're buying food truck, right? In specific county, right? So that's a smaller business. Generally, the recommendation will be to invest more to show your commitment. Because what you're trying to show, you're trying to prove to the United States that you're committed to invest your funds into United States, and those funds are irrevocable, which means that those funds are going to be available to create jobs here in United States, and United States market will be able to benefit from your financial investments. So when we're talking about irrevocable investment, what we'll need to show, first of all, that you have a great business plan that includes projections for first year of your business and 5-year plan for your business, that you have marketing team or investment or plan. You're going to be producing jobs. You need to have your job descriptions available and outline number of employees, a structure of your business, financing. So all of those things need to be proven to United States government to show that you are investing your funds here and those funds are going to be irrevocable. The process and timeline will look differently, like I mentioned before, depending on the treaty of the country where you're from, of your home country, and United States. So that's important to check first. There's going to be different timeline depending where you're coming from. But overall, also it depends how fast the United States Embassy works in your specific country. That's something that easily can be checked by just going on Google search and searching United States Embassy timelines and interview scheduling timelines in your specific country. So that will really vary how busy is United States Embassy in your specific country. But overall, if you have very good prepared package application for E-1 and E-2 visa, visa, if you have everything that is needed, all the requirements, all documents, the process will be a lot faster. That means United States officer will have less time investigating, trying to get the information. You will not be receiving numerous emails asking you for additional information and so on. So the key is preparing really good business plan, have all of your documents ready, be prepared for the interview with United States Embassy officer that will be asking you all of those questions. Make sure you're qualified based on your experience and so on. So really, if you have really good application and you have package with all the information that is needed, you will get less questions from United States Embassy and Department of State, and your visa will be approved a lot faster.